it's Glam Girl M, aka Emily, and we are outside of Aldi for the first Aldi finds of 2025. I almost said 2024. No, it's 2025. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you had a fabulous holiday, and cheers to a very happy, healthy, and fun new year. Lots of stuff to look at today. There's gonna be some like coffee items, organization. You know the drill. We find the good stuff and I tell you all about it. So let's go. No quarter today because a nice lady gave me a quarter, so I will definitely pay it forward and leave the quarter in there for the next person. All right, looks like the first section is bath items. So last week we had a kitchen organization, and now we have a lot of bathroom stuff. So first there is a bamboo ladder, and it looks like they're hanging bath towels on it, but you could totally use it for blankets, I feel. $19.99. That's really nice. And then there is some loungy sets, black, blue, and they're super soft, perfect for cold weather. Huggable heating pads, so different assortments. But those look really cozy and soft. A bamboo stool. Looks like they set it up next to their tub. Some shower heads. So it looks like there's a chrome. They also have it in black, which is nice. $14.99. And then a ton of shower curtains and shower liners. So they have clear. And then they have the frosted. And then they do have assortment of shower curtains in different colors, like a orangey pink, gray, white. Okay, they even have some bathroom organization jars for your cotton balls. Looks like that's a sponge, Q-tips, really cute. But look how beautiful this one is, like an iridescent glass jar set. I feel like this would be very pretty on a vanity, or if you're a little bit more of a glam girl like me, that would be perfect in a bathroom. These are $9.99. If you're a beauty loving girl like me, there's cosmetic organizers. This one has a built-in phone holder, and then you like build it out. There's different types, ones with drawers, and then this is like the topper, $6.99. As mentioned, lots of coffee stuff. So they have the coffee bar tiered tray and all the decor that you can put on it for $4.99. These are going fast, so let me show you what they got. So this one says rise and shine. It's coffee time. You get an assortment of little decorations. My personal favorite, pour some sugar on me, coffee. You kind of have a Ray Dunn inspired little cup there. You could probably use that for a little espresso. And they're like $5, which is a steal. They also have this one just with a little brown car, a little fake plant. Really cute and neat, and for $5 to jazz up an area, go for it. I do not have a coffee bar. I wish I did, but I am just lacking in the space department, and I don't have enough plugs to put a little coffee bar together. So my coffee bar is just kind of on the counter. They also have the frothing pitcher and a lot of different milk frothers, different colors. So they have blue, white, and black. There's the black. And then there is the white. They also have an assortment of pots. French press. If coffee isn't your thing, they have a teapot. And they also have a glass kettle, which is always nice, just to warm up some water at any time. And then they also have some insulated carafes in stainless steel and this pretty blue color. Some glass coffee mugs, lots of different colors. Looks like there's like a clear, a gray, a blue, and almost like a pinky red for $4.99. And then they have a lot of different kitchen mats. So they have the rose all day. This one has like coffee, good morning, French roast, espresso, coffee guide, and then here's all your different coffees. How fun is that? I will say this is pretty thin though. Yeah, this is definitely pretty thin. There's also some other ones down there that I can't get to, but they have some plain ones as well. Very cute coffee inspired cups. They have like a vanilla one, the dirty chai, and the milk chocolate mocha. Okay, the dirty chai is definitely a spicy cinnamon scent. And then the vanilla is like a sweet, creamy, I would definitely drink this one. A sweet cinnamon, ice creamy, yum. And then you have your milk chocolate mocha. Ooh, this smells like Gloria Jean's. They have like a chocolate chip mocha, some kind of frappuccino. And this is reminding me of it so much. Wow. This one is my favorite. Lots of charcuterie items still. There's the blankets, comforter, a brown checkered, a very pretty light blue, a grayish beigey, and like a plaid. Looks like they're 60 inches by 70, $14.99. Some storage bins. That size looks new. Still some holiday stuff, but it looks like it is definitely on sale. So if you look at the sale here, they're always labeled in red for the clearance items. Lots of stuff still from last week. The shelf, the flannel sheet set was a few weeks ago. Candles, the runners, the set boosters, and of course all that fun exercise at home stuff. Some reading glasses, electric toothbrushes, nice. There are some new planners this week, and these are a little bit smaller than the ones from last week, but they are different. So there is a financial planner, girls just want to have funds, a really nice just like navy planner, which is really nice. I love that it's spiral, so it's easy to flip through. This is another regular planner, but it does have all the tabs that you need. I love the tabs. I love the little sayings they have in there. So these are definitely premium quality. And then this one is a guided journal. So this is a little bit different. Self-care tracker, gratitude log, mood tracker, intentions. So if you are kind of trying to get more into gratitude, journaling, self-care, this might be an option. Okay, you guys, this was kind of a short and sweet week with the main two categories. We saw a lot last week, and I think more is coming next week when it comes to like Valentine's decor, but this is really focusing on coffee, some candles, and of course some planning and some bathroom items. I love the blankets, but do I need it? No. Alright, so yeah, not much this week. I feel like it's definitely kind of a skip week for me. I just don't need anything coffee related right now, and the bathroom stuff I can definitely wait on as well. So I am just gonna go ahead and get the glass jar set. I think this is super cute. And then yeah, so just your reminder, just because it's on sale or it's new, you don't always need it. So super easy going week this week, and I feel like next week is going to be a big week with some Valentine's decorations. As you know, I love to grab a little snacky snack when I'm here, so I'm going with these. Alright, stay tuned for next week when we do all the Valentine's Day finds. Alright, leaving the quarter there because I got the quarter from someone else, so gonna help someone out. Alright, short and sweet haul. Alright, you guys, that was very short and sweet, but some weeks are just not a lot of finds or just not anything that I particularly needed, so it's okay if you don't buy anything from the store. Just a reminder, sometimes just looking around is fun enough. So I'm gonna go home, get back to work, grab a coffee, possibly because those coffee candles made me so thirsty for another coffee. They smelled delicious. Don't get me wrong, I would have walked away with that mocha one in a heartbeat, but do I need another candle? Absolutely not. So I look forward to seeing you again next week for the Valentine's Day finds because those look incredible, and you know I love Valentine's, anything pink, girly, glam, and I love love, so it'll be super fun next week to see what pink and red and love items, hearts. So I will see you next week, and don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of fun including all the finds, but we also do other shopping finds, anything girly, pink, glam. That is what we do here. We have a lot of fun, but we also just hang out and do regular life things as well. So if you made it to this part of the video, comment a coffee, and I will see you next week. XOXO Glam Girl.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding.